This laboratory, run by Uganda's Wildlife Authority, is helping to track potentially dangerous pathogens. More than half of all human infections, such as malaria and Ebola, are zoonotic in origin. As populations swell, contact with wildlife is increasing, along with the risk of diseases spreading.
Our ability to actually pick samples and test samples for diseases was limited. Very often, we would have to ship these samples abroad to be able to determine what disease we have.
In 2004, an outbreak of anthrax at the Queen Elizabeth National Park in southwestern Uganda killed hundreds of animals. A lack of facilities made identifying the disease difficult.
So the capability of this lab is currently in three forms. One, we can do diagnosis. Two, we can do forensics. We are developing a pipeline for forensics, especially for wildlife. And then we do research. And when we do research in bacterial pathogens, protozoan pathogens. We do research in viral pathogens as well.
Located inside a national park, the laboratory is the first of its kind in the region. It monitors incidents and acts as an early warning system for the outbreak of zoonotic infections.
The burden in wildlife tends to cascade to the livestock and then cascades to the human beings. Like for example, a tourist died due to Marburg in Python Cave. So we are doing a study to follow up on those bats to see how far do they move from the cave to the villages, so that we can sensitize those people that these bats, despite them coming to your village, they are carrying a given disease that might be detrimental to your health.
Since opening its doors a few months ago, the facility has already begun investigations into diseases that potentially pose a threat to global public health.